¿Quién será la que me quiera a mí?
¿Quién será? ¿Quién será?
¿Quién será la que me dé su amor?
¿Quién será?
Yeah. Hi, Nice. Hey, Nas.
Hey, man, how are you?
I'm doing pretty good on myself. Just enjoying the beautiful evening that God has given us.
Oh, that's great. Hey, I was thinking of some plans later tonight. What are you doing right now?
Yeah. So today, I would say I don't have anything. Do you have any plans tonight?
I did, yeah, so I just wanted to invite you. Are you busy right now?
No. Well, kind of. I was just singing, but we can totally do something.
¿Quién será? ¿Quién será?
¿Quién será la que me dé su amor?
¿Quién será?
¿Quién será?